All right. I visited my local Gucci store and picked up a few items that I had been eyeing online for a very long time. Sometimes it's nice to just be in the store and actually touch and feel the product to see what you're getting. So, in bag number one, I got this guy. I will say that I am loving the new packaging. Not to say that there was anything wrong with the old packaging, but I love it when luxury brands keep it fresh, keep it new, switch it up, keeps it fun. They even switched up the dust bags, which is pretty cool. This kind of has a burlap look to it, even though it still feels very luxurious. The first item I picked up was this ziparound wallet. It definitely has that classic, quintessential Gucci look to it. For a compact wallet, it's incredibly well thought out. You got a ton of different card slots on the exterior of the wallet, things for easy access for things that you use all the time. And then if you open up the zipper, you have that larger compartment in the middle. You can store cash, change, AirPods, your key fob. It can literally hold a plethora of things. And then on either side, you do have additional card slots for more credit cards, IDs, your library card. So again, it is a small wallet, but it does keep you really well organized and it holds a lot. And we're off to the next item. It is from the Gucci Off-Grid collection, which if you are unfamiliar, it is their more sustainable line, which is even reflected in the packaging. So we have the dust bag, which is made out of this nylon material, very lightweight. So I ended up getting a wallet from this collection. And here it is. It did come in a bunch of other colors. And when I say a bunch, maybe like two or three other colors. I opted for the black version. I thought it was pretty classic and something that can go with everything. I don't know who at Gucci is designing these wallets, but they're doing such a fantastic job. They are very functional and well thought out for just kind of an everyday wallet. It definitely keeps you organized throughout the day, which is so essential and so key. Moving right along, we are on to our third item. We're getting into the bigger items. This guy, again, is from the Off the Grid collection. So we open this guy up. It comes with that same nylon dust bag as the wallet. And it also comes with this cotton dust bag. So this guy is a shoulder bag. What I liked about this is that it really reminded me of a mini backpack. This is one of those bags that's perfect for when you don't want to carry a lot of luggage or you don't want to haul a lot of stuff, but you need some key things throughout the day, whether you're touring around a new place, you're on vacation, you're running errands in the city. It's one of those bags that's not too big, but also not too small. So I think it's the perfect size. The shoulder strap is adjustable. I believe there are 7 notches, which is nice. And this is what the bag looks like on. There is another version of this which is smaller, which I thought was too small, at least for my needs. Our final item is our biggest item. And yet again, it is something from the Gucci Off the Grid collection. I was definitely feeling this line. So same deal as the other two items, it does come in this simple yet recyclable packaging. Pull this guy out, it comes in that really nice nylon lightweight dust bag, and inside of that, it is protected by this cotton dust bag. Now, this is the tote bag from the collection. It only comes in one size, but it does come in a couple different other colors if you're not feeling all black. I like the black because I just feel black is timeless, it's easy to carry, it's very low maintenance in terms of just, wear and tear. So the shoulder strap detaches from one side and you're supposed to be able to coil it up and just tuck that sucker away in the inside of the tote. The positive is that you'll never lose it, you'll always have it. I like that Gucci was thinking outside of the box on this one. I'm not sure that everyone's going to be on board with this style of strap. It's definitely unique though. And that's what the bag looks like with the strap fully tucked in. The shoulder strap is adjustable. I believe it gives you about 7 notches to choose from depending on where you want it to hit. The bag is equipped with a metal hook closure. You have a leather trim up top, and you get 2 interior pockets that both have a zipper closure. I'm not sure what the technical term is, but you do get one of these guys, and it does help the bag retain its form. So the nylon that's used in basically this entire collection comes from regenerated materials like fish nets, carpets, and other scraps, which is pretty mind-blowing if you think about it. Because of how the shoulder strap is designed, being that it's on one side of the bag, it is in your best interest to use the closure. Otherwise, your bag will pop open, your things will fall out, people will point and laugh at you, you'll be embarrassed for all the days, you'll probably have to move, and nobody has time for that. So just remember, if you want to use the side strap, cool, but just make sure the bag is closed.